In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. If you're managing different brands, testing a new niche, or separating wholesale from retail, this is a clean way to keep everything organized while using the same login. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing in. Once you're in, look for the area that shows your stores. Depending on the current layout, you'll see something labeled My Store or a Stores section from your account menu. Click into that. This takes you to a view where you can manage existing shops tied to your login. Next, click All Stores. This page lists every store you already own or have access to. It's a great place to keep track of which storefronts are live, which are in development, and who else might have access to them. From here, click Create Store. That button is your starting point for spinning up an additional storefront under the same account. Now follow the prompts on your screen to set up the new store. You'll be asked for a store name. Pick something unique and descriptive. If the name is already taken, Shopify will ask you to choose another. You may also be asked a few quick questions about what you're building, such as your industry, whether you're just getting started, and your location. These questions help Shopify tailor default settings like currency and taxes. If you're prompted to confirm business details and billing, remember that each store has its own subscription, apps, and settings. Using the same login doesn't merge billing across stores. Continue through the setup until Shopify finishes creating the storefront. This may take a moment. When it's done, you'll land in the new store's dashboard, where you can start adding products, choosing a theme, and configuring payments and shipping. Because you created the store from the All Stores page, it's automatically linked to your existing account, so you don't need a separate login. Later, you can move between stores using the store switcher you accessed earlier. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep store names clear and consistent so you can identify them at a glance. If something on your screen looks a little different, Shopify may have updated the labels. Just look for a Stores or All Stores option. And if you're planning multiple brands, consider how domains, themes, and apps will differ per store before you start customizing. That's it. You've opened Shopify, clicked My Store, gone to All Stores, created a new store, and completed the on-screen setup to add another shop under your account.